Lucas.
Feeling real groovy. No, I'ma keep it 380. Big body Benz. Fuck that little bitch in Mercedes.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you guys how I retwist my fiance's locks. This is super easy. It just takes a little bit of time. But I'm going to show you guys step by step of how I retwist his hair. He's been growing out his hair for 18 months and we literally started from scratch. So yeah. So now I'm just going to be using a hair clip to keep the part open because I'm just a perfectionist. You don't have to use this. I just like a very crisp part to the lock. And once I have that separated, I'm going to go in with my castor oil. And I'm just going to twist that all in so that the moisture is literally getting into the lock. So now I'm going to just squirt some of my Gorilla Snot Gel onto a tray so I can have easy access. Because I'm going to be using this throughout his hair and I don't want to have to keep squeezing the bottle, so I just put it onto a tray. And I twist that all over his lock because that's what's going to keep the lock locked, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's just very explanatory. I moisturize and then I use a lock gel to make sure that, you know, it stays put and it stays crisp and it locks together. And once I have that all done, I'm going to clip that to the side because I'm going to put each strand, well, the 3 strands, into braids. So just watch. It's very self-explanatory. I have it going slow for the next 2 braids and then I'm going to speed up the process for you guys. But I wanted you guys to see exactly how I go about it. And this is how I always went about it from when I first started off his locks. We started off by twisting his hair and putting them in rubber bands individually, but now they don't really need them, so yeah, we just put them in braids. But I personally, if you were to start off trying to put locks in your hair and you have a decent length where you can put your hair into braids, I would start it off that way as opposed to starting it off by doing twists, because if your hair is already in braids, they won't come loose and start untwisting, because it will take a good, I want to say, 4 to 5 months for your hair to actually begin to lock. And you want to be able to wash your hair in that time frame, and when you wash your hair will unravel if it's just in twist. So I would personally start off locks with braids. That's how I had started off my locks when I was younger. My mom had it on all of us, and that's how we went about it. But it's really personal preference. It's just an easier way to maintain your locks if you started off with braids as opposed to twisting. But yeah, so I hope that you guys can see what I'm doing and understand what I'm doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, ask, you know, I'll answer. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. Like I said, feel free to comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.